How to prevent intersection collisions while turning. Some of the most dangerous parts of a roadway are the intersections. According to research, many crashes every year either take place in an intersection or are related to intersections. Intersections are the most hazardous parts of the roadway, where large numbers of crashes occur every year. The term intersection refers to a planned location where vehicles may cross paths as two or more roadways meet. Intersections generally fit into one of these categories. Four-way intersections. T intersections. Y intersections. Roundabouts. Any of these types of intersections can be dangerous for a driver wishing to turn. However, you can learn strategies for minimizing the risk of a collision. The first strategy for turning safely in intersections is using defensive driving skills. Always check the area around you for potential hazards. A second strategy for preventing crashes while turning is to yield the right of way to vehicles and pedestrians already in the intersection. You must wait for them to clear the intersection before you turn. This strategy also applies to roundabouts and traffic circles. Roundabouts are designed to move traffic through an intersection in a counterclockwise circle, with vehicles already in the roundabout having the right of way. As you approach a roundabout, wait to enter until you see a large enough gap in traffic for your vehicle. Unless you need to do so to avoid crashing into the vehicle ahead of you, never stop while navigating a roundabout. Employing these strategies will help increase your chances of turning safely in intersections. Contact our driving school to learn more defensive driving skills.